Come online, come online. I want people to come online. Yes, I want to be shouting and shouting and shouting and shouting and love, show love, show love, show love. Show love, show love. We are by the UN. We are the UN now, in the front of UN. And I'm showing you now, people are coming out. Please come online, come online, come online. We are here to show people. Come online, please. Shout it, shout it.
Okay.
Am I lost? We're in the front of the UN. Let's go. Hey! Hold it. Let's go there.
Because he's not going to get up here. He's not going to abandon the hunger strike until an ambulance comes here and takes him away.
Now we are, you can see us. We are here. Hey, you know, it's not the positivity, you know. Yeah, we have it in front of the UN. You can see it. We are here direct. Other countries here. We are here too. We are determined. We want our nation. We want a referendum. We want referendum. Let's go back. Oh, disappointing me now. I've seen you like 3-4 hours ago. Yeah, that is the Madam Korikosu for you. You can see it. That is a Korikosu for you. And Nigeria to live the safe life.
And Nigeria to save lives.
Back up.
And Nigeria now. Ibi tẹ́ ká wà látàárọ̀ rẹ̀ kí ni mo gbọ́dọ̀ dáadáa tá a mú bẹ̀ yẹn àwọn kan ti ṣe kà fún wa.
Thank you. We are getting there. You can see it's not only Nigeria that wants self-determination, and the other country too were here. They want their self-determination, and we too here. Everybody are demanding for their whole right. It's must that UN have to listen to the voice of the people. They have to listen to the voice of the people. We are here to demand our right. We are here to demand for our right, our freedom. We are here to demand for our right, our freedom. They have to listen. They have to listen. They have to listen to our voice. They have to listen to our voice. Yeah, not going back, not going back. We want referendum. We want referendum. We want referendum. Go, 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 go. Move, 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 move. We want referendum. 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 We want. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Move, 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 move. Move, 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 move. Come, come, come. Ṣẹ́rí, wọ́n jọ́ ti wá ní. Ṣẹ́rí gbẹ́jọ́, òfin tí ti pọ̀ jù, òfin yìí pọ̀. Ẹ̀dí gbọ́ ni. Mo kúrò òun mo máa jẹ́ kí mọ́tò gbà mí. Mo kúrò òun. Mo ń bọ́ síwájú. Tí náà yẹn bá ti ṣe ìdíje, mo ti bọ́ síwájú. Come. Come. Oh, come, Baba. Ajami. Iṣẹ́ nǹkan tájà wá ṣe lélẹ́yìí. Ìyá mi.
Àtàrà yẹn akọ̀ gbádùn bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ajẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ ni, wọ́n jẹ́ mú ọ bó ṣe ń lọ ni. Ẹ má tọ̀, ẹ má ṣu o, ẹ má tu o, ẹ má ṣe kíní yìí o, ẹ má ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ kó kó gbogbo wa kọ́ lọ tì wá mọ́lé. Àgbà bàmí ṣe orí burúkú. You see my brother here, comrade Adeni Ojo, you can see him. He's here. Akiniyi. What do you? Bamishi. Go back. Back up. Back up now. Prophet, that's my crew. I'm not just going to leave a crew. Ẹ má jọ kán lé wa náà. Ìgbà tó wọ́n jẹ́ táàmù yẹn láṣẹ tí wọ́n ń gapa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa follow iná yẹn. When it's 11, we come back. Ológùnà. Come on, go, move, man. You gotta move. You can see my people are here. We thank God that we're here. We're in front of the UN Plaza to show the protest, and we're not the only Nigerians are here. We are here together, everybody with other countries. You can see we control ourselves. We control ourselves. We follow. You can see. Oh yeah, ẹ ṣáà rí wa, ẹ rí wa. Àti lọ. Kò sí nǹkan tí Buhari fẹ́ ṣe. We have gone. 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 Yes. We are here. It's our freedom. It's our freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. You see Cuba. You see the people of the Cuba here too. You can see them here. They wonder. Enough, enough. We need our freedom. We need our freedom. You can see the Cuba people. You can see them. You can see them. You can see the body. Let me see. You see, stop a genocide. SOS Cuba. It's what is happening in Nigeria. It's happened to them too. They need freedom. They need freedom. They need freedom. They need freedom. You can see them. He's here. No, on hunger strike for the freedom of Cuba. You can see. They are here too. It's not only Nigeria. We need freedom. 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 You can see Cuba. You can see hunger strike. You can see UN speak to US. You can see SOS Cuba. You can see he's not here. It's a stop visitation. You can see. We are here. Behind. I come back to tell you then. No, it's good, Ejo, it's good. What we have been doing is good. Excuse me, what we have been doing is okay. Don't let me starting complaining, please. Hey, the lobby koko, I do bit of you. Don't blame that we are there. Share the opportunity that needs is because they have done for today.
Not even because
so let's just not same, it's not an issue of the Cuba. So let's
Then, aside from that, what we are achieve there is to end the genocide and give us referendum. We need a voice.
Kini Cuba genocide in Cuba. Hey, come. Shall genocide referendum. No, nothing. Wait. Let's make. We have a. Where is that Nina's flyer?
Where is the name? The message.
Oh yeah. The message is this. No, Yoruba nation. Referendum, and we need a break from Nigeria. It's not only Yoruba nation. So the petition to one day. Nina's petition. Yoruba nation petition to one day. Good bro. Hey! Turn it upside down. Hey, more sound, eh? Jiggy, DJ, jiggy. Àti lè mi ò tí lè lọ. Ẹ máa lọ kí máa lọ. Mo mi ò tí lè lọ. Kí ni mo wá ṣe ń bí? Ẹgbẹ́ máa mi ò tí lè lọ. Lè lọ ẹjẹ ká kúrò bí ẹni bí ẹjẹ ní ìjọba àṣẹ ń bí ẹ ṣe sí ẹja padà.
Àwọn Yorùbá ní sọ̀kọ́ lórí.
Let me interview you. Orikosu. Orikosu. Ẹ̀yà alájà mo lọ wọ́n bá jẹ́ oúnjẹ ni kán lọ jẹun kán. Alájà wọ́n bá jẹ́ oúnjẹ kán lọ jẹun kán dá mọ́tò mi padà. Nígbà tí wọ́n á ṣe ń bí ìrìnàjò orí. Kán dá mọ́tò mi padà. Kán má ti lọ kán dá mọ́tò mi padà. Àwọn èèyàn ló wà ní ìwọ̀n. Yeah, I have my great people here. I have a Mr. and Mrs. Korikoso in the house. They are the best, a companion, a struggle, a best comrade of the year. I will give them to them. Now, ODTV radio, ever been ìṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ làgbà. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká bínú. Ìmọ̀ ní brother mi níbí, mo dẹ̀ ní sister mi bí ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan náà níwá ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan náà ló ń ràn nínú wa. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ní kí n má sọ òyìnbó jù nítorí èmi náà gbọ́ gírámà o. Kò yí mo yá lóní tí bá sọ vocabulary. Wọ́n pè mí jẹ́ kan, wọ́n ní Ìgbòho sọ. Mi mọ òyìnbó tó ń sọ, mo ní kí ni problem yìí? Ó ti pass information nu. Ó ti pass information nu. So let me.
Gbogbo òyìnbó tẹ́ ti ń sọ láti 19 gbọ̀ngbọ̀n kí ló dé yín dé.
Let me go to my brother, my comrade, my powerful man. Kẹ́tọ́ríkì ṣe rí ní ayé àwọn Awólọ́wọ̀. Ìyàwó máa ń ṣe party kan. Ọkọ máa ń ṣe different party. But now we understand we are not a politician. We want liberation for our people.
Freedom.
We want freedom. That's why we are here. We leave everything. We leave our investment. We leave our family. We are here.
Yes.
And some people are in their comfort home. Even in location 9, they are eating point and kill that we cannot eat in America here. Not that we don't have the money, but we think twice. No, I have my brother in the house. You are welcome, Baba. Please, in general, what do you see? What's your view in what will happen today?
Mainly, I can say that more were disappointed, because expectations me over higher doing control challenge mainly law, Kinto baby by Lenny, a lot of people to express this cynicism about baby by Shemari, like in the sense need the same expectations same in but like anything is a one in a chance, first of all, catching United Nations, General Assembly, Ibadan Shele Law, artifactor, Baba Kintoye. See anything I don't know my by Lenny. I thought all those facts, we had some dimension to it, and we might for you in Kotimobambi by Lenny. So in a short answer to in Kotimobambi, in Kotimobambi, as part today, more were disappointed about the turnout here today.
So now for the future rally, protest, or this agitation, what kind of advice you can give to people?
a meeting follow for at least 1 year and say, you know, and in the last 1 year, you know, if it had day by now, you know, I think it's very, very difficult. It's a struggle not to feel discouraged, you know, because, you know, after 1 full year, yeah, you know, it is a struggle. It's a fight, you know. It's a fight, you know, because like you know, by this, you know, like turnout, you depressed me, you know, the turnout.
But our country can't even like we won't buy 8 people,
yeah, but like you know, how long will it take? You know,
yeah,
because, you know, we are working with a timetable here. You know, and you know, definitely, you know, I stop election from holding.
Okay,
Yoruba
my brother, my brother,
election in 2023.
Deputy Madam. Okay, my brother, I want to. Do you see any fault in the structure of this agitation? And do you see any faults or shortcomings in this agitation? Like, if you can tell us and you advise us on what we can do to improve on this.
Yes, I think like you know, as per the whole agitation, you know, more the movement is too fragmented, you know, and like you know, because of that, you know, we lack coalescence, you know, coalesce, you know. We're not speaking with one voice, you know, so to say, you know, there are just too many different little groups, you know, trying to express themselves at the same time. You know, they are creating a din. You know, they don't have one central voice, you know, and like you know, the people themselves, you know, like you know, for example, you know, like Ninas ni more assume or organizing by Ninas is the underlying group behind it. Now, as far as I know, Ninas is not working together with IPOB. So, like you know, anything you know, or add more, you know, the turnout here today. You know, like you know, how can we reconcile all this fact? How can we have the same goal, you know, but like we refuse to work together? I think that's self-defeating. You know, we are sabotaging our own efforts.
Okay. Now, yes, the reason I will not speak for the Ninas, but I can pick one point from Nina that the reason why they didn't go with IPOP is because they have been declared terrorists.
Nigeria to declare one terrorist. Isn't Nigeria a terrorist country?
Let my
brother Nigeria a terrorist country? Isn't Nigeria people killing?
Is it my sister want to take over the question, but I want my comrade to speak on that. So before
I know where my sister, you know, where Sister Kurikosu is coming from, you know, because like you know, but about follow narrative, you know, IPOB has been rendered, you know, considered a terrorist group. That means like you know, we are submitting the narrative, you know, because like you know, the people that are labeling IPOB as a terrorist group, they themselves are indeed the terrorist group. You know, Nigerian government is on labeling of the terrorist group, and through all the actions, the people that will pay attention and judge them by the actions, not the rhetoric, not what they put the media out there to say, you know, but the action. You realize that, you know, Nigerian government got gone terrorists here. You know, now Taba submit narrative here for and when you then go by that, you know, that means like you know, I will not set the rules. Okay. They are setting the rules, you know, like you know, and the rules they are not even following it themselves.
This is a great advice to the Ninas. The Ninas have to work on that, like my brother have advised. It's kind of Ninas, so yes.
I'm sorry to interrupt.
No.
You know, I think the Ninas, you know, like you know, they are not sharing, you know, like but I think November or December, the meeting follow Ninas here. They give deadlines. They set deadlines for the federal government without any repercussions for not meeting those deadlines. You understand what I mean?
I do.
Like, you know, all those, they indicate lack of power. Nobody takes anybody without power serious. You know, and the federal government is showing that, you know, that they don't take Ninas or the whole movement serious. The only way Tioma Bears take it serious when we, in any little way, start exercising, no matter how minimal, the power.
Like somebody in the live program, he said the IPOB is more violent. Can you say something about that? One day, Emi Olayiwola saying that the IPOB is most violent. You don't need.
They are not proactively violent, but they are defensively violent.
Yes.
In the sense, they are not turning the other cheek.
Good.
Right? They are hell bent on defend. I wish Yoruba people would be the same. I wish Yoruba people would organize to the point of defending our people.
Good.
That wouldn't be. I don't consider that as exhibiting violence.
Okay, thank you, my brother. I really appreciate. I just want to ask one question from my sister, and she has the answer to that question. Is the differences between the different groups coming together to move this agenda to actualize what we really want. I know I used to read a comment in different platforms of unity within the groups of the Yoruba agitation. Madam Korikosu, can you please come here? No, you. She's my sister. She has it. She has a gun. She has a gun. Now, you have my question. Before I go to any other thing, the unity within the agitation of the Yoruba movement. We have a lot of differences that kind of giving us a setback in this struggle. Which you are a frontier, you respect comrade. I really do my cap for you. Yeah.
We have to put aside our selfish interest. My voice is cracked.
Yeah, we understand.
We have to put aside our selfish interest, our individualism. It's not all about me. It's not all about him. It's not all about her, and it's not all about him. We are doing this for Yoruba nation, not for us, me. So, it's collectively. So we have to always think of Yoruba people and our people that they are killing and come as one and do this together. That's it.
Okay. Now with the turnout we have today, what do you expect? What's the percentage? What's the rate? What's the advice?
Honestly, in the beginning I was like, oh, but every struggle is like that. Every struggle is like that. But look at it now. We are giving them hell. So we will get there.
Okay.
We will get there.
Now I want you to say one thing or other to the leaders. We have leaders, we have Professor Akitoye, we have Alhaji Aliu, we have other compatriots that giving us the head. What's the appreciation word you can give to these people we call our leaders?
Thank you.
Because when we talk of politicians, when we talk of obas, we don't talk of leaders. We talk of the people that were in the front of this agitation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's all you have to say?
That's it. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you to them.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Really appreciate. We are expecting more of you tomorrow by God's grace.
All right.
God will help us.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
Okay, thank you. Yes, that's Minister and Mrs. Korikosu. They are very hardworking too in this struggle. We really give them kudos. And we are still here. We can see here. We are still here. We can see people here. Oh, bro, I've been looking for you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been looking for you a long time. Now, we are here.
All right.
In general, what's your view about the rally? What's your expectation?
I mean, the rally is awesome. People turn out. So my expectation is to see a lot of Yoruba people coming out to protest against the terrorist government in Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari is a terrorist. He keeps supporting the terrorist group, the Fulani terrorist group, and he's not even prosecuting them. He's calling them bandits, whereas they are actually terrorists. So Buhari is a terrorist. He's a supporter of terrorists. The Minister of Communication in Nigeria, Pantami, is a terrorist. So even the United States, they came up with a report that Pantami is a terrorist. So we need to understand that. First, you have to understand the Nigerian fundamental problem. The Nigeria's fundamental problem is the problem of incomplete decolonization, which is further exacerbated by the parasitic unity system. So there are two ways to solve this problem. One way is regional autonomy way, and the other way is balkanization, the total destruction of Nigeria. And that's the one that we favor. We want Yoruba nation to be taken out of Nigeria because we've tried the regional system, it didn't work for us. So now The only option left for us is to balkanize Nigeria into, autonomous states. And that is why we're demanding for Yoruba nation to be taken out of Nigeria. Nigeria has robbed Yoruba people of their language. Nigeria has robbed Yoruba people of their culture. Nigeria has robbed Yoruba people of their history. Nigeria has robbed Yoruba people of everything. So it is only through the Yoruba nation that we can restore what we've lost in Nigeria. So my expectation today is to see a lot of Yoruba people out, and that expectation is met. So I love it. It's great.
Thank you. What's the name again?
My name is Ifadare.
Ifadare. That's you are from what state?
Osun State.
Osun State. That's good.
Yes. Yes.
And then Omo Yoruba náà ni.
Yes.
Can you please appreciate by our father, Professor Banji Akintoye?
Yes. Professor Banji Akintoye is doing a fantastic job. He's a very good professor. He's a very good father. He's a man that genuinely loves Yoruba nation. It's not, all these other elites, political elites in Nigeria who are Yoruba but are not in support of Yoruba nation. Professor Akintoye has used his wealth of experience to take us to the United Nations, and he has put our agitations in forefront of the United Nations. So I really respect him as a good guy, and we should all respect him. So I love Professor Banji Akintoye. I also love Chief Sunday Adeyemo Igboho Osha, and no going back.
Thank you. Thank you, bros. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Thank you. We're here. Yeah. Our people are here. We are really appreciate and thank God we are still here. And we are here. We are until when they ask us to leave, but they are not asking us to leave. So we are good. Everybody are here. Yeah. So yes. So mommy, ṣé ẹ fẹ́ bá a sọ kankan ẹ ṣe gan mo rí yà okay ẹ wá bí ẹ wá kí wa gbogbo wa náà gbọ́ Yorùbá ìyá yẹn ti pẹ́ l'Amẹ́ríkà ẹ rí wọn ti pẹ́ l'Amẹ́ríkà mommy ṣe wá kí wa. Yes, Ekiwa, at least stop genocide being perpetrated by Fulani. Yes. Ṣẹ̀rí mọ́mí wa náà ọ̀nà fiṣẹ́ sílẹ̀ wọ́n fọmọ sílẹ̀ wọ́n filé sílẹ̀ wọ́n wá síbí láti wá sọ pé ó tó gẹ́. Mọ́mí kí lẹ fẹ́ sọ fún wa mà?
Mo fẹ́ sọ fún gbogbo àgbáyé wípé gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n pa wọ̀nyí tí Fúlàní ń pa wá tó ń pa Yorùbá ó ń pa dúdú ó ń pa gúgù ó ń pa kúkúrú ó tó gẹ́lẹ́. Ó tó kí Yorùbá kúrò láàrin Nàìjíríà. Nigeria cease for being Nigeria. No more Nigeria any longer. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ Yorùbá tó lọ lé. A tó gẹ́lẹ́ láti lọ, a pọ̀ tó láti lọ. A pọ̀ ju Kútọ̀nù lọ. Wọ́n dá dúró. So ó yẹ kí Yorùbá lọ. A wà níwájú UN báyìí láti pé ká support Yorùbá. A ti wà bí láti àárọ̀ láti 8 o'clock láàárọ̀. So, live from New York.
Live from me. Thank you, ma. Yeah, we really appreciate everybody that contributed and everybody that took their time to watch this from ODTV and radio. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín gan. Tàbá ìmọ̀ àtúpàdé ní alẹ́ àtúpàdé, but a ní láti mú tẹlifáì yìí wá sí òpin gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ti gbìyànjú. Àwọn èèyàn wa náà gbé láti àárọ̀ tí wọ́n ti wá bí àwọn láti lọ sinmi kí wọ́n tún lè pàdé níbí lọ́la. Àwọn adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo èèyàn wa pátápátá, gbogbo àwọn tó wà ní Nàìjíríà tán ti wà ní Amẹ́ríkà náà tí wọ́n tán wò wá. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ẹ ṣeun gan. Ọlọ́run ilẹ̀ ìlérí tí gbogbo wa ń lé yìí àdébẹ̀ ní ayọ̀ àtàláfíà àníwẹ́nì kankan tì iwájú UNBD ẹ ti rí báyìí ibẹ̀ la wà báyìí ibẹ̀ la wà. So láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà gbogbo ala máa gbọ́ èsì àrò. Ẹ ṣé gan o, ẹ ṣé gan. Ìpàdé wa bí òyìn o, ìpàdé wa bí òyìn o, ìpàdé wa bí òyìn o. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o, adúpẹ́ o. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o. Thank you.
Àṣìmùsí tálẹ̀ gbé bọ̀ jáde rẹ̀ ni àwọn.
Lákòótán fún ọjọ́ ìlú ọmọ bá fẹ́ bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ kan àbí kejì nítorí à ń láti wá sí UN láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ ọmọọba ẹ bá a ṣe àkótán nǹkan tá a ṣe lénìí kẹ bá a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo èèyàn.
gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjìrè pàápàá jùlọ gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n join wa láti àárọ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn ló wá láti oríṣiríṣi state àwọn tó ṣẹ̀ ń débọ̀ ní bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó yẹ pé àwọn máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣe tí wọ́n láti rán àwọn kan náà bọ̀ tó yẹ pé ó di 24 ká tó parí nígbà ṣùgbọ́n nǹkan tá à ń rọ àwọn èèyàn náà ní wípé ẹ má jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ẹ má jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa sì jẹ́ kò gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n wà nílé náà ẹ má jẹ́ kó sùn wa ẹ má jẹ́ kó rẹ̀ wá torí pé iṣẹ́ rí nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí tábárí àwọn tí wọ́n gbé flag ẹ wọ àwọn flag tí wọ́n gbé blue and red yẹn àwọn Cuba ni tábà wo ìtàn wọn gangan ẹ rí i pé àwọn Yorùbá gan wọ́n pọ̀ ní Cuba wọ́n jẹ́ ara àwọn títí wa náà nígbà yìí ara àwọn tá a máa gba òmìnira fún nígbà tí orílẹ̀-èdè Yorùbá tó bá dúró tán a máa rí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Yorùbá náà máa kúrò ní Cuba yẹn táwọn náà máa àṣìṣe tara wọn mọ́ Yorùbá àwọn nǹkan tá à ń ṣe yìí ìran tá à ń ṣe fún òun ṣe ìran tó wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí ìfún ìran tí ò sí ìwé àwọn ọmọ children a tún ṣe fún wọn gangan ẹ wo gbogbo orí àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n ń gé yẹn ẹ wo orí àwọn ọmọ tó ń gé káàkiri ẹ wo fún àwọn ọmọ tó ń dúró tí àwọn èèyàn ò bá tiẹ̀ ro nǹkan kan at least ó yẹ kí lè kó pa èèyàn lẹ́nu ó yẹ kí lè kó ti ẹnìkan dìde nínú yàrá ẹ̀ tó bá wà lórílẹ̀‐èdè Amẹ́ríkà láti jáde síta wípé òun náà ní láti support pé we must end this genocide we must end this ethnic cleansing ní ilẹ̀ wa ẹ rí àlè rán àwọn ọmọọṣẹ́ màmá kan ló ń sọ fún mi láìpẹ́ yìí màmá kan ló ń sọ fún mi láìpẹ́ pé lánàá yìí ni àbúrò wọn láàrin ìgboro ní ìlú Ìbàdàn ó ní ó gbé táksì látọ́ máa gbé táksì yẹn lórí pé àwọn kidnappers ni wọ́n wá ń sọ èdè Fúlàní èdè Haúsá ó lóun ò tẹ̀ mọ́ bílẹ̀kùn yẹn ṣe sílẹ̀ tó ṣe ré bọ́ nìyẹn ẹ rí i wípé gbogbo tá à ń sọ yìí kò ń ṣe orílẹ̀-èdè wa nìkan àwọn kan ló ń béèrè fún genocide wọ́n ń pa wọ́n náà tẹ bá rí láàárọ̀ àwọn pictures àwọn òyìnbó kan wà máa lórílẹ̀-èdè tó ti máa yá máa bí kí wọ́n ti wà ní Yemen àwọn náà tún wá wọ́n bá fi ẹ̀rọ tí wọ́n ń pa wọ́n náà wọ́n ń pa gbogbo èèyàn ló sọ ẹ dictatorship ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ tú síta ẹ jáde ẹ má bẹ̀rù ẹ má jọyà ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ eléyìí kì í ṣe nípa wọn Nàìjíríà eléyìí kì í ṣe nípa ẹlẹ́yàmẹ̀yà ẹ̀yin ọba ẹ̀yin ìjòyè ẹ̀yin olùṣàgùtàn ẹ̀yin ìmáàmù ẹ̀yin aláàjì ẹ̀yin oníṣẹ̀ṣe ìṣọ̀kan ló lè ṣe kínní yìí o kí gbogbo wa pa ohun wa pọ̀ ká sọ wípé ó ti tó gẹ́ ẹni tó gbéyàn bá jorí ahun gan ó gbúdọ̀ sunkún sórí èèyàn lélẹ̀ tí wọ́n lé sílẹ̀ bí ẹni lé èṣù èló ni wọ́n máa torí kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n máa celebrate ẹ̀ wọ́n á gé orí èèyàn wọ́n á tún celebrate ẹ̀ wọ́n á jubilate àwọn èèyàn tó ń ṣiṣẹ́ yìí wọ́n kọ́lé wọ́n ra mọ́tò wọ́n lọ sílé ìwé
ọmọ kékeré gan lélẹ̀ ìgbà
ọmọdé ní gbogbo wọn ọmọ kékeré lélẹ̀ àgbàlagbà lélẹ̀ àgbàlagbà lélẹ̀ ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn ilé ọ̀dọ́ ni wọ́n ọ̀dọ́ àwọn ògbójọ́ ọ̀la àwọn ògbó orílẹ̀-èdè ọmọ ìyá kò làwọn ṣòfò ọmọ bàbá kan làwọn eléyìí mọ táwọn ọmọ eléyìí náà lè dà lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la kí ló wá dé ẹ wo rú àwọn ọmọ tiwọn ẹwọ tó ń fi kó àwọn ọmọ tiwọn àwọn ọmọ wọn ti dà wọ́n sí gbòòrò ń sìn tó jẹ́ wípé àtọyún náà àtọmọdé àtàgbàlagbà òun náà ń kó AK-47 ṣùgbọ́n ìwọ tó jẹ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ìwọ tó jẹ́ gómìnà orílẹ̀-èdè gómìnà stéètì gan wọ́n ní wọn ẹ̀mpáwà yín láti tún ní ìbọn láti ní ohun ìdáàbòbò fún àwọn tẹ́ ń ṣe ìpínlẹ̀ tẹ́ ń ṣe ìjọba lé lórí ẹgbọ́n ṣe ìlú làwà yẹn tí orílẹ̀-èdè làwà yẹn àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ gómìnà wọn ìjọba àpapọ̀ federal government wọn fún wọn ní orí ọ̀fẹ́ pé Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn nígbà tí Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wọ́n tún gba agbára lọ́wọ́ Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn wọ́n ní wọn lé ní ohun ìdáàbò wọn kó ṣàkàbùlà ṣùgbọ́n ẹwà àwọn ọmọdé yìí wọ́n ń gbé AK-47 lé wọn lọ́wọ́ sórílẹ̀-èdè kò dẹ̀ tí ì sí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa wọn tí ì ṣe ẹnikẹ́ni síta nínú wọn rárá wọn tí arrest anybody ojoojúmọ́ ni wọ́n jáde síta náà sọ pé àwọn làwọn ní Nàìjíríà àwọn kí ló ń jẹ́ Nàìjíríà indigenous people òun là ń pè wá anílẹ̀ alóhùn alédè a ní àṣà títí wa nítorí náà ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká jáde ọ̀la tó ń bọ̀ o lágbára Elédùmarè gbogbo wa àájò ọ̀la lọ ẹ pàdé wa ní aago 7 àárọ̀ ọ̀la gbogbo ẹ tẹ́ wà ní New York ní New Jersey Maryland Texas ẹ wọlé ẹ̀yin ẹ̀ wá wọ́n jẹ́ pé sí níbi èèyàn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn yóò wọ́n ti jáde sí ṣàbáyé ṣùgbọ́n lọ́la a máa bá wọn lálejò a sì máa pàdé wọn bí báyìí torí náà Odùduwà á gbè wá o ìdàlẹ́bí ò ní gbẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọba wa àsìkò orun ti tó o ẹ ta jígìrì torí pé orí adé yín ó di dandan kó gba ipò ọ̀ṣẹ́ padà ẹ ṣeun.
ẹ ṣe thank you lákòótán ẹ ṣeun gan adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo yín ọmọọba ẹ ṣeun gan tó bá tún di ọ̀la lágbára Ọlọ́run a tún máa pàdé ní ìkànnì yìí orúkọ tèmi lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí ni Arole Fákọ̀yà ẹ ṣe gan adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín a tún máa ríra lọ́la lágbára Ọlọ́run ẹ ṣe o God bless you all Oòduà á gbè wá kò ní gbọ̀dàlẹ̀ bye.